In today's video, I'll teach you guys about this Amazon sign-in error. Now, what happens is when you try to just log in into your Amazon, you cannot, and it says an error that says internal error or something like that. So I'll teach you guys how to fix that. So let's just open Amazon first. Now, the reasons that you face these problems, there can be several reasons. Now starting with the first reason is your internet connection might not be uh, fast, or it might not be working properly, or your device might not be working properly. Your device might be facing some issues. Now sometimes your IP gets blocklisted in your IPS, and that can be one of the reasons too. But if that's not the reason, I mean, you're trying to sign in and you just type in your email and type in your password, your you cannot just sign in. So if your internet is not the problem, you can once again try to sign in using your VPN. Now you can use your Urban VPN or your Turbo VPN, your Proton VPN. Just try a VPN and try to log in, and that should pretty much solve your problem. And the other reason is because maybe your uh, server of the Amazon might not be working properly. So if the server is not working, your no matter what you try, you can't be able to fix that because the Amazon will need to fix it themselves. So if those are your problems and you cannot log in, you can just tap on need help, tap on other issues with the sign in, and after you do that, you can just explain your problem with them. You can just uh, okay, so just tap on your password is not working, and you can contact them using these uh, contact numbers right here. These are the customer service numbers. So just call them and tell them about your problem, and your problem will get fixed. So that is all for the video, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.